this morning of a pupil beaten to death for failing to read. And it's a story of a standard 3 pupil who died after she was beaten by her teacher and her classmates because she could not read. And the 10-year-old died on Sunday in Laikipia in a hospital where she was being treated for back and stomach pains. A very sad story there that continues on page 3 of the paper. And the little girl's name was Joy Wangare, who died because she was not able to read. These, of course, are still allegations, but parents from the school say they were told by their children, who were also instructed by the teacher to beat up 10-year-old Joy Wangare, that the teacher had already injured the 10-year-old girl, and this seemed to be a cover-up ploy by the teacher. That happened on Thursday last week, and later that day, Wangare reported to the head teacher that she was unwell and requested to go home. And on Sunday, she was taken to hospital vomiting blood, after which she died. And the investigations, of course, are ongoing to find out exactly what happened and the cause of Joy Wangare's death. And on a